Senior Business Development Manager, B2B Broker. Mr. Kuldeep, kindly come on up. So there is a tradition at Money Expo 2022. I say that just for reiterating because it is so important. One small question, waiting for your one small answer before the start of the session. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kuldeep right here, super proficient with English, Hindi, Urdu and Russian. So I'm assuming you've met a lot of Russians. So the quick question is, what is that one similarity that you find between Russian and Indians?
Thank you for the introduction, first of all. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Very pleasant. Hello, everyone. My name is Kuldeep Mahindrakar. I do business development at B2 Broker group of companies. Regarding your question, basically, I would say the culture, more or less the same. We have lots of similarities in terms of language because we have a very old language, Sanskrit. As all of you have known, Sanskrit is a very old language. And there are lots of words, I would say, which is similar in Russian.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's a very unknown fact, but I think when I lived there, when I learned the language, I found out that there are lots of words which is common in both the languages.
It wasn't known and now we know. Fantastic. Mr. Kuldeep, I mean, we've learned so much about you in just this one question. Thank you so much. Stage is all yours.
Thank you. I would like to first invite you and welcome you all to Money Expo 2022. My topic for today is going to be the ecosystem of crypto and Forex industry. And before I start, I would like to start with the very, very small stories. Basically, let's say 8 months back, I had a lead from South Africa. Since you all know that B2 Broker is a liquidity and technology provider company, we create Forex brokerages and crypto exchanges. So I get many leads from different parts of the world. Since I'm specialist in Hindi, Urdu, English, especially I work with the Indian region. So this lead was from South Africa, and I had many sessions with this lead. He wanted to become a Forex broker, and he had no money. So he was like very determined, but he has no money. He wanted to learn. So I spent a lot of time with him, like more than 10 sessions, I would say. But somehow he disappeared after the 10 sessions. I was furious in the beginning because I spent a lot of time and my energy. But after 6 months, he came back with investors. And guess what? He's a Forex broker now, worth 10 millions in worth. It's capital of his business. So my, let's say, topic for today, I would like to start with this motivation that any idea that you have, it's not small. Even if you're not ready at this moment, maybe you will be ready after, let's say, 10 months, 8 months, so you will find a right investor so you can start your business. So I would like to quote this, knowledge is power. So if you gain the right knowledge and if you know the industry very well, nothing is small and nothing is impossible for you. So regarding my topic, building crypto and crypto ecosystem, our company, B2 Broker group of company, we are a liquidity and technology provider company. We have lots of technical solution in terms of starting your Forex broker, in terms of your crypto exchange, processing cryptos, liquidity solutions. We have one-stop solution for all, let's say, financial industry. So let's move to the slide. So I'll give you a quick background about the whole infrastructure of the company. Before that, I would like to, let's say, explain you or let's say give you the meaning of ecosystem itself. Ecosystem itself is basically, let's say, implementation of different infrastructure into one ecosystem. Let's say you can find banking, you can find legal, you can find technical solution, and implementing all those to the ecosystem for any business. So knowing that, it's very important to start your business. And this is what we are doing from last 8 or so years. So here, if you can see on my slide, B2 Core, it's in-house development, SaaS solution, software as a technology, and B2 Core is the very first product which I'm going to talk about. In general essence, B2 Core is the core of the business. That is why we call it B2 Core. So it's a trader's room and the CRM system in general terms, but in overall, our group of companies, we name the product with B2 Mark. So we have B2 Broker, the name of the company, and the rest of the products that we have, it's already with B2 Core, B2 Trader, B2B Core, and all that. So B2 Core is the trader's room and the CRM system, client portal and back office. It can be used by several business models. So can be used by banks, can be used by PSPs, can be used by Forex broker, crypto exchanges, multiple, exchanges. Plus, I would say it can be used by marginal exchanges as well. It comes with the mobile application. Right now, we have the iOS and the Android application ready. So you can download on your telephone and check. Plus, we have a B2 copy solution. So B2 copy is more related towards the Forex broker. So all those who would like to become a Forex broker or already running a successful Forex broker can implement this software to your business. Basically, B2 copy comes with copy trading, PAM, MAM system. It's a very unique system since it's not the plugin, it's an infrastructure, can be implemented to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 with the MetaTrader MT API. So it comes with 3 types of solution, copy, PAM, MAM, and social trading. The next today's topic will be B2 Core IB. So introducing broker, as you all know, it is one of the key component of Forex industry, where you can use IB as a promotional or let's say referral system. So it's a multi-level affiliate program. You can use it and implement into your business. Basically today, just to make it clear, I'm going to speak about 2 business models, so Forex and crypto. So in terms of Forex, we have separate products, and in terms of cryptos, there are separate products, crypto exchange. And we have some products which is in common, so you can use for both the industries and both the business models. So I can go back and talk about B2 Core again. So B2 Core can be used for Forex brokers, can be used for crypto exchange as well. In terms of IB, it can be used for crypto and it can be used for Forex broker as well. The next is B2 Trader. So B2 Trader is basically a matching engine and trading platform. So if you want to launch your spot exchange, right now in India, if you know, crypto is very much in trend. Everyone talking about crypto since, government is also regulating it. So I think crypto is a very hot topic in India. And if you want to launch your crypto exchange, with your own brand, the white label solution, we can provide you the B2 Trader. It's a matching engine order book system, very unique, can be branded completely up to your requirement, and we can customize it. The next is Marksman. Marksman is basically an aggregator to aggregate spot liquidity from different exchanges. Currently, we have integrations with Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, just to name the few, but we have total 8 exchanges. So you can, using this system, you can take the liquidity from different endpoints and different exchanges which is running already in the market. This is our technology solution. And if I'll give you a brief about B2 broker company, so basically we have 11 different offices. The head office is in Dubai right now. I generally operate from Dubai. There are a few other locations I work from, but Dubai is my prime location. Then we have offices in Limassol, London, Mauritius, Tbilisi, which is new, very new. We opened the office there. Hong Kong, Tallinn, which is in Estonia, and others. So this is our office location. Apart from that, we are regulated, first of all. So in terms of prime broker or let's say a liquidity provider, we have licenses from top regulatory bodies. So we have FCA license, we have SISIC license, and we have some offshore license like Mauritius, Vanuatu, and all that. So we have 7 licenses in total, 300 plus employees. Plus the unique thing about our business is that we provide 24/7 support in 11 different languages, including Hindi, English, Urdu, and rest of the languages. And we are working from 2014. So we started our operations in 2014, and very first product was B2 Core. In terms of third-party integration. So we have integrations with different top companies in the market, one of them being MetaQuotes. So MetaQuotes offer MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. We have both of them as a white label. We can provide you that. And very recently, we have implemented CTrader as well, which is a very unique trading platform in terms of settings. It has more features. You can do multiple settings there. Then we also have liquidity hubs. So Prime XM, 10, and Marksman, which I already explained to you, it's in-house products. So we have Marksman as well. So 10 and Prime XM, it's a liquidity distribution hub. In terms of different, let's say, brands for B2 Broker. So B2 Broker is like the main brand, just the overall concept of it. But under B2 Broker, we have various brands. So if I just give you a brief, so very first is B2BX. B2BX is a crypto exchange. Basically, it's a spot crypto exchange, and it works as an aggregator. So it's an institutional exchange. Professional clients can trade there, and even the exchanges who are looking for liquidity can opt for liquidity from B2BX. It aggregates liquidity from top 8 exchanges in the market. Digital asset processing, B2B in Pay. B2B in Pay, it's a payment gateway plus the wallet infrastructure. So we have two types of solution there, merchant and enterprise. So the merchant solution is especially for those who wants to accept payments in cryptocurrencies as a service, whatever service they provide, like e-commerce, forex brokers, crypto exchange. So they want to accept payments in crypto, we can provide them B2B in Pay merchant solution. And for those who wants to provide the wallet infrastructure, like blockchain wallet infrastructure, let's say to be a crypto bank or let's say a crypto exchange, so they can use enterprise solution. Acquire is our project from FCA regulated UK. So it's a project digital banking IMI. So we will provide electronic money there from there and business accounts. Plus we have security brokerage regulated by Russia. We have license from there and we will be soon launching this project. Plus we have the venture capital. So if you have any idea or something, you can send it to us and we can definitely look into it and respond to you. So this is the overall idea of B2 broker. Let me go to the next slide. B2 Prime is our entity regulated by Cyprus. Here we provide the liquidity to the financial institutions. We have tier 1 liquidity, Prime of Prime. So it's just one of the brand that we have right now. Let me just get into because since the liquidity is the primary business for B2 broker, and I would like to emphasize on any of you who wants to become a broker and who is looking for a reliable liquidity source, I can give you a brief introduction about the prime of prime liquidity that we offer. In terms of prime of prime liquidity that we offer, we are basically doing the aggregation from top sources. We have counterparties, PBs, and bankings from where we aggregate the liquidity. And in terms of instruments, we offer Forex and metals, which is more than 100 plus pairs. In terms of equities and commodities, we have 15 pairs. Cryptocurrency is one of the key points for our liquidity. We offer 150 crypto pairs, which is like unique in the market. Like I didn't find any companies with offering 150 crypto pairs. And the best part about this crypto pairs is that they are 24/7 tradable. This is the key point of it. Plus, we have single stocks. Single stock is tradable on CFDs. So we have single stocks from USA, Asia, Europe. So we have different like single stocks from different part of the world. And the margin requirement on the FX is 1% on the crypto. On the equities is 2%. On the crypto it's 10% on the majors, and on the minors is 20%. And on the single stocks it's 20% as well. And it can be distributed with the system, as I told you, 1-0, Prime XM, a Marksman, which is like the spot, plus it can be traded on MT4/5 plus the C trader. B2B in Pay. So let me give you a little bit brief about the B2B in Pay. As I told you, there are two solutions, merchant and enterprise one. So the merchant belongs to those who wants to accept crypto as a payment. So any like e-commerce, forex broker, or any, let's say, online business who wants to accept payments in cryptocurrencies can opt for the merchant solution. Here, basically, we process the transaction. Any crypto that you want to accept, you can accept, and we will convert it to fiat currency of your choice, or we can convert it to any of your, let's say, cryptocurrencies like stablecoin or major coin. This is the merchant solution. It can like implement very easily to your website via API. Then we have the enterprise solution. Enterprise is basically a blockchain wallet infrastructure where you can implement, let's say, like a crypto bank. So you can open, you can take B2 Core, you can take enterprise solution, and you can start something like a crypto converter, where the end users can use their local currency, buy crypto, store it, hold it, or they can just exchange it back to their local currency. So it's a very good model using enterprise solution, very cost effective. You can start your business with a very low investment, and you can go live within like 2 weeks. So B2BX, as I explained to you, it's a professional institutional exchange. You cannot trade here as an individual. It's not retail exchange, but it's a B2B exchange. Since the name, you can see B2B. So basically, this exchange is for those who launch their crypto exchange. So since you know, as a new exchange, you won't have a lot of organic liquidity, so you always need a liquidity source. So we can provide you the liquidity from here. This exchange is aggregating liquidity from top 8 exchanges in the market. Marksman, again, it's an aggregator. made by B2 Broker, in-house development completely. It works only on the spot at this moment. Very soon we are going to launch the perpetual futures here, and you can implement perpetual futures as well. B2 Trader, it's one of the best product in-house developed by B2 Broker company. It's a spot trading matching engine, launching a full-fledged spot centralized exchange. You can use the software. It's a trading platform with the matching order book, and you can, like 4 weeks, you can launch your exchange using this B2 Trader. B2 Core. B2 Core is one of our flagship product. The company started their operations with this product only. Ever since that, like I started working for B2 Broker for like 4 years ago, and I remember the product. It was very different from what you see today. The user interface that you see, we are developing it every 2 weeks. We are changing. We are trying to make it better. So that's why I stated this product as a flagship product. Like, this is one of the best product of our company, and it can be used by various business models. Can be used by Forex broker. Can be used by crypto exchange, banks, margin exchange, and all that. So it has user interfaces like front end, and it has backends as well, like back office for the admin to manage the user interface. So user interface, external integrations like payment systems. So we have fiat payment integrations there, KYC, SMS provider, trading platform. So all these main features that you see on the screen are already implemented, and like it's fully ready software which can be implemented within a week. So you can launch your crypto converter using this. You can launch your Forex broker. You can launch your crypto exchange using this software. IB system, it's a multi-level IB system, referral system, basically can be implemented in any sort of business where you use as a promotional tool. It has up to 30 levels ladder. You can, if you need more, we can provide you up to more. And you have the banner and everything where you can advertise about your product. A mobile application. So as I told you, we have the iOS application, we have the Android application for B2 Core software. So you launch any business model with us, whether it's converter, crypto converter, Forex broker, or crypto exchange, full-fledged crypto exchange. You get the mobile application free of cost from B2 Broker company. It will be completely branded with your logo, with your colors, with your design, and you will have in App Store and the Google Store with your name. So your client, being a business, you don't have to develop or spend money or time on developing your own app. We provide you fully ready application free of charge. With the application, you can do trade, you can make deposits, you can do withdrawals, you can pass KYC, you can do the two-factor verification and everything. So right now, the iOS application is fully ready, and Android is like just on the initial phases. So if you want to know more about our company, we have a Telegram channel. You can just scan the QR code, join the Telegram group that we have. You can get daily updates there. Plus, we have a very cool YouTube channel. I would definitely recommend all of you to look into the YouTube channel. We have very cool videos there. We travel all over the world, and we shoot very, very different videos from all the rest of the company that you see in the market. You will be entertained by our videos, plus you will be, it's very informative. So I think that's the very end to my presentation. I would like to thank all of you for paying attention. It was a pleasure to explain you all this, and thank you for hosting me here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Kuldeep.